Okay guys, so I've been working really hard to get you something like this. This is if you have ever wanted to do a business on your own, or you've ever thought of, oh, I could make a t-shirt out of that, or I wish I knew how I can make a t-shirt out of that. I'd love to sell that online. And you have an idea, or you're creative, or you want to make money at home making your own merchandise, or as we call it, merch. Merch Informer has just partnered with me and is giving what is called the pro level. Okay, so what you will get is what you see on the screen. So there is a free level, there's a free subscription, and what they're going to give you is a pro subscription, which includes the single load upload interface. It's called SUI. What this does is give you an app that will run in the background, or so I put it on my desk. I want to show you how exciting this is, and there's no catch, guys. It's because you're watching my video on my channel that I can do this for you. So pass this on to somebody you know that may be interested. But I want you to see the actual price that it would cost you per month. What's new? What is Merch Informer and how does it work? So let me just talk a little bit about what's new. If you've been following me, you know what Merch Informer is. I'll get to that here in a minute. But I want to go over to the things that are new. Number one, and I'm going to show you this on the website as well, but there's an Amazon search volume for 2 new marketplaces, Germany and the United Kingdom. The second thing is a trend tracker and a movers and shakers. This has been reactivated, and it finds the different trends in the market and the customer demands. And then we also have some trending keywords that are new. Now, what you have to look forward to, and maybe stay tuned to my channel, subscribe, that is in June, there's going to be new places added to the single upload interface. Remember that, it's SUI. So, alright, check out the rest of this video, look in the description to see how you can get your free pro level Merch Informer. If you want to know more about Merch Informer, go to my channel, go to the playlist, Merch Informer. I'll put the links below and within the video. So check this out. So if you're here on the website, you log into your account, there's a free trial. When you land, you're going to be right here on your website. You're going to actually have to scroll down a little bit to find the new information. They've just added, like today, is called Trend Hunter. Okay, and within Trend Hunter, there is something called Movers and Shakers and Trend Tracker. So let's check out Movers and Shakers. What you will see on Movers and Shakers is a whole different setup. You can see the type. You have a daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also just change your search, but most people do Amazon, but not always. You can narrow it down by t-shirt, the type of shirt. Okay, this is just like everything on Amazon, including t-shirts, long sleeves, sweatshirts. Now, here is the new feature. You can find, in particular, let's say United Kingdom, and you want to target the United Kingdom searches. You can do that now. And Germany, that's DE. Now, the reason why they included these 2 places is because during the pandemic, these are the places that were actually open. They were actually data to be filed, searchable, real stuff. So you can see what the trends are. You can see what it's selling at. You can see the sales price, everything you want to know about the product. You get the link to the product, the ASIN, which identifies it into Amazon, the prices. You can see the estimated sales, the features, the description, and then what you want to do is not reinvent the wheel, but take this information here that they've done all the work for within this software and use that to create your own shirt and your own merchandise and move forward selling your own stuff. So let's go back and we're going to look, you scroll down at the new Trend Tracker. So Trend Tracker is you can change the period of time from 1 month to 3, the average BSR, which is like the sales rank, SR, and Merch by Amazon shirts. Again, those are your choices, and here's your marketplace. So you can do a search and find out what is going on as far as the trends. Okay, so now we have this graph that shows you the sales. Okay, you can see up trends, down trends, whatever kind of trends you can find that's going on in the market. So you can see there's some political things, but whether you like it or not, there's 158 sales, 230 sales, and if that's something you're interested in, let's just click the features. These features are critical when you're listing your products. So you might not want to do exactly that, especially if it doesn't fit your type of product, but you want to steal some of these keywords. The same with the description if they have it. You want to catch your customers' attention by getting some of those keywords. Now, I know this is just a real short video, but I just want to let you know the updates and let you know that I'm giving away a subscription for a pro membership to one viewer. Now, how do you get that? You're probably asking. You're going to have to put in the comment section below why you think you deserve it, or maybe why you need it. Let me know. Like, give me your story, and the creators of Merch Informer and I are going to read through all your comments, and we're going to pick one person. Stay tuned. Hopefully, maybe we can do something like this in the future. If you don't get chosen, also in the description, I'm also going to put in a 20% off. So you're not at a loss. You're going to get 20% off by using my code HBEFriend. HBEFriend. But thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.